In this video, I'm going to be doing a review on the Wicked Tough Handsaw from Wicked Tree Gear. The major flaws in most handsaws today are the cheap plastic handles and the over-the-top locking design. Now the guys from Wicked Tree Gear, they've really come up with a great design. Now the Wicked Tough Handsaw has a cast aluminum handle. It also has a hardened high carbon steel blade that cuts smooth and fast. This saw also has a fail-safe blade lock design with hardened steel lock pin. The lock design is very nice on this saw. You mash it to open it. It locks in place, no loose movement. No plastic on the lock. I really like that. All metal. And when you close it, it locks down as well. Now that covers just about all the specs and us going over the saw. Now let's go out and see how it cuts. That's going to wrap up our review on the Wicked Tough Handsaw. I highly recommend this saw. It performed well in all of our tests. It cuts great. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video.